na biktima, pinagsamantalahan, sexual abuse,
pangungulit na
minulis, gang rape,
ng sexual harassment,
ginahasan.
Naranasan mo na bang mabastos o mainsulto?
Kahit oo man o hindi sagot mo, panoorin niyo to.
One voice can create conversation, and one conversation can create change. I am Margaret Andinido, and this is the advocacy I stand for. The advocacy focuses on correcting common misconceptions and myths about victims. One of the biggest challenges that victims face is victim blame. Maraming mga tao ang naniniwala sa maling paniniwala, tulad ng pagsasabing kasalanan ng mga biktima dahil sa kanilang suot, sa lugar na pinupuntahan nila o sa kanilang pag-uugali. These beliefs are completely false and only make the victim feel humiliated, afraid, and less likely to seek help.
Harassment can happen anywhere.
The truth is, it is never the victim's fault. Walang sinuman ang dapat makaranas ng abuse, harassment, o violence. The responsibility always belongs to the person who chooses to commit the harmful act, not the victim. For many, harassment continues even in public place. I choose this advocacy because I believe that everyone deserves to be treated with respect, dignity, and compassion.
Support change everything.
By raising awareness about victim blaming, we can encourage more people to support victims instead of questioning them. Sadly, judgment from others can leave deeper emotional wounds. Dapat maging ligtas ang mga biktima na magsalita ng hindi natatakot na husgahan o sisihin. This advocacy is important because victim blaming can prevent victims from reporting abuse or asking for help. One of the most important lessons I learned is that awareness and education are powerful tools for change. Ang ating mga salita o kilos ay maaaring makasakit o makatulong sa iba. That's why we always choose empathy over judgment. Kapag mas maraming tao ang nakakaalam ng katotohanan, they become more compassionate and supportive. Education helps break harmful stereotypes and create a safer environment for everyone. I promoted awareness by discussing this issue with my classmates, creating and sharing informative posts on social media, and participating awareness activities. Kahit simple action lang ang mga ito, they help spread accurate information and encourage meaningful conversations.
I encourage everyone to learn more about this advocacy and become part of the movement. Let's speak up against victim blaming, support victims with kindness, and spread awareness. Together, we can create a society built on respect, compassion, and dignity.